There's no denying that AI is a hot topic in 2023. Just look at the increase in those Google searches. Meaning that for you as a SaaS founder, now is the perfect moment to start adding AI-powered features into your software. Users nowadays really are expecting this personalized, intelligent experience from their software. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can meet those evolving user expectations, differentiate your software, attract new customers, and retain your existing ones, all using AI. Plus, I'm going to give you some industry-specific examples that you can take and apply to your SaaS. So where do you start when it comes to integrating AI? Always start by identifying a use case. Think about specific scenarios where AI could help your users, considering pain points, challenges, and opportunities that you have thought of in your company. Identifying use cases is actually something that we help you do in our workshops at UserActive, so I'm going to leave a link in the description if you're interested in one of those. After that, you're going to need to gather this high-quality data, because AI models need data for training and making accurate predictions. You can either collect data from user interactions, integrate with external data sources, or leverage existing data within your SaaS platform. And don't forget at this point, data privacy and security. You'll need measures to protect user data and comply with regulations. And then you're going to need to build or acquire AI models. If you build AI models in-house, you're going to need a team of data scientists and machine learning engineers. But don't worry, you can also acquire pre-trained models or use third-party providers to accelerate development. So that's what you'll need. Now, what kind of AI features would be beneficial for your industry? If your SaaS is a CRM or related to marketing, accounting, HR, cybersecurity, or a collaboration tool, I've got ideas for how you can use AI. So keep watching this video. But just a reminder, don't forget, if you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe, and we always are posting on our channel SaaS design tips, trends, and expert product advice. So the first one, CRM. If you have a CRM software, you can use AI to analyze customer data, predict customer behavior, and provide personalized recommendations. You can also automate lead scoring, identify upsell and cross-sell opportunities, and improve your customer support using chatbots. What about if you have marketing automation software? Well, you too can be using AI to optimize email campaigns, to segment your audiences, and personalize content based on user behavior and preferences. It can analyze social media data, identify influencers, and automate social media posting. Okay, on to the next one. What about if your SaaS is financial and accounting software? AI can automate data entry. It can automate expense categorization and invoice processing. It can also help with fraud detection, risk assessment, and financial forecasting. AI algorithms can also analyze market data and provide investment recommendations. Okay, what about a cybersecurity software? Did you know that AI can identify and mitigate security threats? It can enhance user authentication, fraud prevention, and data encryption, and can also detect anomalies in network traffic and analyze user behavior for risk assessment. Okay, on to the next one, HR software. If you have an HR SaaS, you can use AI to automate CV screening, candidate matching, and interview scheduling. It can also assist in workforce planning and performance evaluations. Okay, and last but not least, collaboration and communication tools. Have you thought about adding speech-to-text transcription, language translation, and voice-video analysis for remote meetings? Because you can with AI. AI can also automate task management, schedule optimization, and sentiment analysis in your team communications. So these are just a few examples to get you thinking how you can add AI into your SaaS. Once you have a clear idea relating to your use case, you're going to need to then test and validate. And most importantly, when you do integrate AI into your SaaS, make sure you know how to clearly communicate and educate your users on how this technology is going to help them and why it's so valuable, because that's what's going to make them stick around. Think of this as future-proofing, because AI is this life-changing technology and it's given you huge potential for growth and innovation. So by integrating AI into your SaaS software now, you're going to be ahead of the game and you can continue to evolve and adapt as the technology does. If you're a SaaS founder and you're already using AI, let us know in the comments what you use it for, because I'd love to know. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a like. See you next time.